Hi, I'm Tammy Silvers of Tamarini's, and I wanted to invite you to come take a class with me. I am so excited that I'm going to be teaching at Quilt Festival in Houston this year. Now, I'm going to be teaching three, not one, not two, but three different classes, all using my guided improv technique. And here's the thing, each one of them takes a slightly different take on the guided improv technique. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, I'm not so sure, what is this guided improv you're talking about? Well, it's a happy combination of improvisational piecing with a little bit of guidance that feels like traditional piecing so that you can very closely duplicate the projects we're going to be working on. Now, one of the projects is Winter Woods that you see hanging up behind me. And I actually love this project because it's so much easier to do than you may realize, and you can add your own unique twist to it to make your own version of Winter Woods. Now, we're also going to be making compass points. Compass points is my version of the Mariner's compass block, but no templates, no paper piecing. So, super easy and a lot of fun, and you get the look of a Mariner's compass block. But I'm going to be honest, it's improvisational piecing. So it can be a little wonky, but it is absolutely lovely. And then the third project is pointed comments. This is just a half-day class, but it really gives you a great understanding of improvisational piecing with some guidance, and you get to stitch up a lovely little banner or table runner that has a mid-century modern vibe. So I do hope you'll come join me for one, two, or heck, just do all three classes of guided improv: Winter Woods, compass points, pointed comments. I look forward to seeing you in Houston at Quilt Festival.